Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to put Honda Accord in neutral step by step. Start with your foot on the brake and the engine on, press the brake firmly, press the shift release if present, move the shifter from drive to neutral smoothly, confirm the instrument cluster displays N, and slowly release the brake to ensure the car is stable in neutral before any towing or pushing. For models with a shift release, find the small cover or button near the shifter and remove it gently. Keeping your foot on the brake the whole time, insert a flat tool to press the release and allow shifting. Move the shifter into neutral while watching the indicator. Then replace the cover and verify the car stays in N before removing your foot, keeping safety as the top priority throughout the process. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation. I've been using these leak-proof meal prep containers, and they make car trips and lunch prep easier and less messy. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Support helps us make more helpful videos. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Some cars use electronic shifters that need a button held to shift into neutral, while mechanical shifters move directly when released. Always keep the brake engaged. Press the release or button as needed. Shift to neutral and verify with the dash indicator, and never coast in neutral on a slope without brakes applied, as steering and braking responsibility remains fully on you for safety and control at all times.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.